In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your Amazon account. Logging out is a simple process, but making sure you know how to do it can help keep your account secure, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. Let's break it down step by step to ensure you can do this confidently every time. First, you'll want to navigate to the Amazon homepage. You can do this by typing the website URL directly into your browser's address bar, or simply click on an Amazon bookmark if you have one saved. Once the page has fully loaded, you'll notice an array of tabs at the top of the screen. Direct your attention to the top right corner of the page, as this is where you'll find the Account and Lists option. Now, instead of clicking on Account and Lists, which is a common mistake, you should only move your mouse cursor over this section. By hovering over it instead of clicking, you'll trigger a drop-down menu to appear. This menu contains a variety of options, from accessing your order history to managing payment methods. But what we're interested in is logging out. With your mouse still hovering over Account and Lists, take a moment to glance at the drop-down menu that appears. You'll see many choices there, however. Your focus should be on the top right corner of this menu, which presents the Sign Out option. This option is your one-click solution to ensure you are properly logged out of your Amazon account. Go ahead and click on Sign Out. This action will effectively log you out of your account, returning you to either the Amazon homepage or to a screen that prompts you to sign in again. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to ensure your Amazon account is securely logged out when you're finished using it. Remember, it's an important habit to cultivate, especially if you're shopping online in environments where other people have access to your device. Logging out helps protect your personal information and your purchase history from prying eyes. That wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope you found this clear and straightforward. If you're interested in more tips on how to manage your online account safely, be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.